You can't imagine that how weird creatures has in this world. Some look like ghosts and some look very funny. From giant killer jellyfish to air-breathing fish, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. We will see 5 strangest mutant sea creatures ever discovered. Number 5. Giant squid. We all know that squid is a deep sea creature. Squid appear at surface at very low. It can grow to a tremendous size, offering an example of deep sea gigantism. In this photo, we can see this big boy was found on the beach of Cantabria, October 1, 2013. Weighing at 400 pounds and 30 feet long, this squid may remind you one of the legendary sea creature, the Kraken. We all see many kraken in movies and cartoons. Some say it is a kraken or a squid similar to it. Others say it was a hawk. But I have the answer to debunk every rumor about this massive squid. This squid has been solved by scientists after it was transported to Japan's Nature and Science Museum. So, no, our oceans and seas won't suddenly be riddled with these beasts out of the seas. Number 4. Giant killer jellyfish. The landsman jellyfish, also known as the giant jellyfish, is one of the largest known species of jellyfish. Its range is confined to cold, boreal water of the Arctic, Northern Atlantic and Northern Pacific Oceans. Landsman jellyfish remain mostly very near the surface at no more than 20-meter depth. If the kraken kept a pet jellyfish, I am more than sure this would be it. The monstrous jellyfish is the size of a human being. This jellyfish was washed up in a Chinese fishing city. Many bystanders initially thought it was just a big pile of trash that floated to shore. Imagine being the first person to get stung by this jellyfish. I am sure the pain alone would send you to hospital. The jellyfish is 95% water and so is a cucumber. So the 5% is what makes the difference in those. Just a fun fact I thought about. Number 3. Air-breathing fish.
It can walk on land and breathe air.
Mudskippers are amphibious fish and also called air-breathing fish. They are of the family Oxydercidia and the subfamily Oxydercina. There are 32 living species of mudskipper. Those burrows are most often characterized by their smooth and vaulted sailing. This one fish, this is how we started, to be honest. We started off as fish who can breathe air, and now look at us. We have a somewhat peaceful society. But if we all disappear off the face of the world, this fish right there, perhaps the most interesting trait of the mudskipper is their ability to both survive and thrive in and out of water. This one fish will rule the world. He is the ultimate and apex creature. He can even walk on land. Instead of walking on water, it walks on the ground. It's not horrifying alone, but the thought of hundreds of these land-breathing fish marching towards you, or maybe 10 or thousands of these little sucks marching towards, I would turn tail and run away as fast as I can. Number 2. Frill shark.
Well, some of the myths and legends of sea serpents came from the frilled shark.
The frill shark and the southern African frill shark are the two extinct species of shark in the family Chlamydosalcidae. The frill shark is considered a living fossil because of its primitive anguilliform physical traits such as a dark brown color, amphistyle and a 2-meter-long body, which has dorsal, pelvic and anal fins located towards the tail. The common name frill shark derives from the fringe appearance of the 6 pairs of gill slits at the shark's throat. The frill shark looks very scary. If anyone sees this shark, they will surprise. Although not the largest species of shark around, the frill shark is just as intimidating. Known for its eel-like appearance, but can hurt prey in the dark with expert precision. Don't expect to see this shark anywhere near the beach though, as they are often found in the darkest parts of the ocean. Which makes sense, they can still see just fine, and it gives them an advantage over other creatures located there too. Number 1. The blobfish. Cycloeutis mercedes, the smooth-head blobfish, also known simply as blobfish, is a deep-sea fish of the family Cycloeutidae. It inhabits the deep waters of the coasts of mainland Australia and Tasmania, as well as the waters of New Zealand. Blobfish are typically shorter than 30 cm. Okay, if everyone who has been on the internet for longer than 30 minutes has come across to this fish before, but that doesn't matter, that this fish is creepily unsettling. From the flesh toned color to how slimy it is, and it is weirdly shaped face that resembles a human, albeit more exaggerated than what we're used to. It's not too uncommon these days to see this fish around, but can you imagine the first guy who found it? Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.